Okay, y'all, I had to come out to Richmond to pick up something from my foxbody. I'm super excited. So, hold on. I gotta stop at the 18, so that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, got that out the way. I'm like 2 minutes away from the shop. So I'm gonna show y'all when we pull up. Yeah, I just pulled up. I'm in Richmond, and it's like KSM Classic Cars. But as you see, they got some pretty things out here. Yeah, look at how pretty. Yeah, I had to get a close up on the inside because look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I'm in the wrong spot. So I'm actually at Cars Unlimited. And they got some heat out here. But he's going to show me where to go. And now I'm in the right spot. We're going to KSM. And I'm going to show y'all for real this time. But y'all, again, you know. Let me do a walk around. It's some heat. Twin turbo.
That's 700 horsepower.
So over here, he got some heat.
That's an Oldsmobile 425. That's the 850 horsepower kit for the 300ZX. It's HKS 850 turbo water.
I know that's right. Y'all, I love coming to people's shops though. Like, people be having the craziest stuff in their shops. Like,
7 tentless, convertible, 700 horsepower Z06, Porsche 914, Toyota MR2 with a 350 horsepower Lexus V6.
look at this pretty blue.
3 carburetors, 4-speed.
3 cars.
Just watch the hole right there.
Cute little
442.
Beamer. Look at that.
Got the 2002 TII with Italian 40mm Webers on it.
Look at how pretty.
Another MR2. This one's 400 horsepower. It's got a 2-liter with the Cummins turbo on it. 950 horsepower M3 with 250 shot of nitrous. It's 1200 horsepower.
1200 horsepower. Y'all hear him?
And the Corvette, that LS6 is going in there. 74 Datsun Q40Z.
Oh, she gonna be real pretty.
The LS6 in this car will weigh 2,600 pounds.
Ooh.
We got a 635 European BMW 6. Look at all kinds of stuff.
Oh my goodness. Yes. And this what we came for. The beauties. Y'all look at the Pikachu. It's so cute. This is where I'm at. For y'all, when y'all ask questions, this is where I'm at. KSM Classic Cars.